iPadOS 26 changed the visual look quite drastically, and even though the liquid glass look is impressive, some people simply don't like it. There's no single button to turn off liquid glass, but there are a few settings you can change to neutralize the look and make your iPad less glassy. To disable the glassy look, first we'll go to Settings and tap Display and Brightness. You'll see a setting for liquid glass, and you can choose either a clear look or a tinted option. The tinted option changes the look of some parts of your iPad, but you'll quickly notice that even with the tinted option, your iPad will still look awfully glassy. To take it a step further, you can go to the accessibility settings and from there tap Display and Text Size. Then toggle on Reduce Transparency. This neutralizes a lot of the glassy, transparent parts of the user interface and makes a big difference if you want to minimize liquid glass. Honestly, I don't think it looks very good, and it's sort of a lazy solution for those who didn't like Apple's highly hyped up liquid glass look. I think they should give us a proper option to switch between the traditional look and the new glassy and glossy option. Anyways, that's the closest you can get if you want to turn off liquid glass. Click that like button if this helped you, and take a look at my iPad playlist next. It's full of similar quick and easy tutorials. Thanks all, I'll see you there.